Hey there kids, check out this Mini 2 by DJI. It's a slick little drone in a nicely packed box. It comes with paper, charging cable, some tool, short connector cables, spare rotor blades, and the transmitter. This transmitter is massive and has a nice sturdy build. It can also charge your phone. The main advantage of this drone is that it's incredibly lightweight and does not require a permit to operate. This drone can nicely fold to fit a tight bag, and the material quality feels good. The battery capacity is over 2200 mili-amps. It's easily swappable and allows around 25 minutes of flight. The DJI Android app looks good, it's stable and receives frequent updates. The drone transmits clear image even from over 1 kilometer range. I haven't tried taking it much further. Video quality is superb and the stabilization is amazing, even during moderate wind. Overall, this is a great small drone and totally worth its price.